Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Erica and this is Tiny Acorn. Just so you know, I am 14 weeks pregnant right now. And so this video is going to be all about using what you already have in your existing wardrobe pre-pregnancy to get you through the first trimester at least, and then hopefully on through the second one as well. So I'm not going to be doing this alone. I have with me a very special guest. She is a professional stylist and I can't wait for you guys to meet her. So stay tuned, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Share with you guys that I've definitely felt like I've been in a wardrobe rut. Being 14 weeks pregnant right now, it's been challenging and tricky for me to find out how to dress my new body as it's growing and changing and my bump is getting bigger, and I feel like I just need some like outside creativity just download to sort of see my clothes in a new way. And so I am bringing in a professional. So I have with me my friend Josie. She has 10 years in styling under her belt. Go follow her. It's YSLNC on Instagram. That's actually how we met, and I completely fell in love with her style when I saw her on there. So the format for today's video is going to be different. I am going to take full advantage of having her here. I'm going to pull 5 pieces that I've been struggling with styling, and then I'm going to let her pull 5 pieces and style them up. In total, she's going to be styling up a total of 10 looks for you guys. Okay, so before we jump on into all of the styling portion, I wanted to kind of just do like a little like get to know you with Josie. So kind of tell everyone like how long you've been styling and just like a little bit of background.
Yeah, so I have been styling for about 10 years. I started in New York because a friend really liked my style, and we just started doing fun little shoots, and it just progressed into me having a portfolio, so it was awesome.
Yeah.
And then I moved to California and I continued to doing styling, and I primarily now do wardrobe and a little bit of props. So ranging from like dinner sets to styling a home and styling a full-on fashion editorial. My style is mostly vintage, secondhand. I like to work with like cool brands, but a lot of my inspiration comes from like past fashion. So you can definitely go to my website and my Instagram and see a lot of outfit inspiration with like vintage clothing. I do a lot of mostly outfit pictures, but I'm also going into the IGTV, so
good.
I have 2 of them out. A lot of vintage inspiration. Yeah.
I have so many of her photos saved in my outfit inspo folder. So yeah, definitely go follow her on Instagram, and she's doing more personal styling now, right?
Yes.
So if you guys live in California and you need a personal stylist,
yeah, we both had a lot of fun doing this. It was equally very fun.
I know, it was great.
Yeah.
Speaking of your love for vintage and everything, tell everyone like what you're wearing today, because this is so cute.
So the look is, I'm wearing Medjugorje earrings. I'll start from the top. This chain link necklace is from Medjugorje. This is for my grandma. And my coat, I was just telling Erica, I got at a sample sale this weekend at the Assembly. It was 1 out of 2, and it's actually a size up from what I wear, but I like to wear things oversized. So it's Modern Citizen.
So cute.
It looks like a dress, but it's a set. It is vintage. I scored it on eBay.
So cute.
Belt is vintage. This cute little round purse is from our studio, and I'm wearing the Everlane sock boots in chocolate and tobacco. Yeah, so and that's my look. Oh, and the Uniqlo Heattech leggings underneath.
Yeah, that's like ideal for San Francisco weather. Yes. Yeah. So excited, you guys, because I'm gonna get all of these new ideas and inspiration because I've been in a rut. So the first piece that I want you to style are these cowboy boots, which is so funny because when you saw these, you said you had the same one.
We have the same one. I'm not surprised though.
The same exact pair, you guys. These are navy blue Justin vintage boots, and she has the same ones. So I love cowboy boots, but they're kind of tricky to style. Do you have any tips?
So I always want to pair them with something flowy, just because I'm always inspired by the prairie looks and that sort of style. So I'm thinking that I might do something like that. You could also wear them with jeans tucked in.
Okay, so this little plaid blazer, for some reason I found it a little bit difficult to style. I think because the length of the blazer where it hits me on the hip, it's a little bit shorter than what I normally feel comfortable with. So excited to see what you can do with this.
Yeah, this one I can definitely see it with some like cool oversized t-shirt. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so this little vintage pinstripe, the only suit I own, by the way. Oh my gosh.
Really?
Speaking of suits, that blue suit in your Instagram.
I love suits.
I have been like,
give me all the suits.
I've been dying over that blue suit picture, especially with the ochre shirt underneath that you styled.
It reminded me of that. Yeah.
Yeah. So hopefully you can work some magic with this little.
Most definitely.
Yes. And so the reason I chose these also is because this is like a really stretchy polyester, and so it's going to fit over my bump.
And then I think you said you had these tailored, right?
Yeah.
So that's a good tip.
I had them taken in at the waist so that they fit me high-waisted and like really nicely.
Which
so
I'll be stealing that tip from you. That's a good one.
Adding the zipper to everything.
Yeah.
My fourth piece that I want styled is this green little silk dress. I got this in one of my early YouTube videos. I thrifted it. It can lean towards a little bit more fancy. So
yeah, I can see that.
Well, for me.
Yeah, I mean, it can definitely be worn casual and fancy.
Right.
It's such a beautiful dress. Definitely, you could wear it for in colder weather with tights and pairing the leggings underneath. So many ways you can wear this dress.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Okay, so this last piece, I actually
love this piece.
It has like this crazy
like a tie-dye.
Tie-dye. I feel like that's really trending right now on the runway.
Yes.
I got this from Nordstrom Rack on a whim. And it's definitely a little out of my comfort zone because I didn't know exactly how I was going to style it when I bought it. So I have worn it once so far.
Today. Nice.
So I'm excited to see what you
I can see this with some warm colors, with some pretty neutrals.
Now, I want you to show me the 5 pieces that you got.
It was so fun going through a closet. I just want to start out with that.
Aww.
Yeah, you have a lot of great pieces. So the first look, I wanted to do a dress. This piece is a vintage piece, and it's just really cute and versatile. I love the florals. I can definitely see it again being worn casual or fancy.
It's one of my favorite dresses. I think I just love the length of it.
And I love maxi dresses.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
So as we were styling up this outfit, you shared with me a really good tip.
Is wearing leggings under skirts, pants during the winter, just because we're San Francisco girls. It's so cold out. You want to just be comfortable and warm. So leggings under everything during the winter. And specifically the Uniqlo Heattech. They're the best.
Nice.
Yeah.
We'll link some down below for you guys.
Yeah.
I love that because especially with maternity, like wearing leggings is so essential, but I don't always want to wear an outfit with just like leggings. So to be able to hide the leggings underneath the dress. And then I hadn't thought about like scrunching them up towards your thigh.
So that's, thank you for bringing that up.
Yeah, that's awesome. I love that tip.
And the second piece is this red quilted vintage jacket. The minute I saw it in her closet, I was like, yes. It's just really on trend right now too, actually, the quilt. It's such a beautiful, vibrant color. So we're gonna style this up.
I got it for $5.
Love that. This piece, it just looks like a Doan pant that I'm really obsessing over right now. And I just love it. It's beautiful. It's just a very easy piece to style with either like a sweater or a blazer.
I feel like it would also go with what you're wearing right now. Do you guys see this?
It's amazing.
Cute top with the...
so cute. So Doan inspired. of course, I wanted to style some jeans up to show you guys how they can be worn with the elastic band. I'm all about, you know, trying to make the most out of your clothing, and this is just such a fun, easy tip for, you know, making the most out of your jeans when you're in that transitional period. You probably want to use jeans that have a little bit of stretch. So what you do is you just grab a rubber band, elastic band, rubber band, whatever, and you loop it through the main loop, and you just hook it onto the button, and there you go. That's it.
It's great because then I can wear my regular jeans with shirts over the top of it until I get too big and I have to actually go buy maternity pants. But this will get me through like the first trimester and like part of the second trimester at least, which is great.
And then the last piece, these super cute mustard Everlane flats. I can see them being worn with a lot of socks. Different colored socks.
I love that idea. I actually have not worn these with socks yet, so I'm really excited. Something about them reminds me of like a little duck foot. I don't know. That's the color.
I can see that. I can see that.
But socks sound really cute with it.
Yep.
So
Super cute.
that's a great tip. I loved what you put together.
I had so much fun. Please invite me again.
Please come over every day. Just lay my clothes out for me. No, you guys, that's what I think is so fun about having somebody else come to your house when you're in a style rut, or you just need to figure out a way to reimagine the pieces in your wardrobe, and just have a friend come over, you know, put on some music and have fun playing with your clothes and try on like some of the outfits that they put together, and I'm sure it'll give you some new ideas. So one of the new ideas that you gave me that I was really excited about was I had always steered clear of wearing leggings under dresses because all of my dresses weren't long enough. And then lo and behold, you were like, just scooch them up.
Yep.
And I thought, oh, well, duh, like, why haven't I been doing that? So, like, the two outfits that I had, the dresses, I felt like I would 100% wear, like, everything in those looks. And I loved that I could put leggings on underneath it so that I could stay warmer. Yeah. What was some of your favorite looks?
So one of my favorite looks, and it's another tip to add into the mix. Normally I would think that just a loose t-shirt and loose pants would maybe not look so put together, but when we added the blazer to it, it just brought the look to a more like structured look. It gave her a lot more shape, and it just made her look like she was ready to go.
I felt like it made it really chic. Like if I were to take the blazer off, it would have been more like maybe an outfit that is like a little bit more edgy and like
more
street
like lounging,
loungy. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm such a tuck my t-shirt in type of girl.
Right.
So I love the idea that I can now wear all my t-shirts untucked over my bump as I'm growing, and even pair them with wide leg pants and just a blazer on top of that, and then have like a perfect outfit. So
another thing that I was on the lookout when I was putting together some looks for her was I was trying to minimize using shoes that had a lot of laces, just because I'm, you know, as you're growing, it's probably uncomfortable to bend down and you know, move around. So the more shoes that I could like put in the outfits that are slip-ons or have very little lacing, the better. I did use these Doc Martens that have laces. However, the amount of laces that they have is really short. So, and I think at some point you were just slipping them on and on. So easy peasy, comfortable, put together, chic.
You guys, thank you so much for watching.
Thanks, guys.
I hope you guys got some inspo. I'm sure you did.
Yeah.
Go follow Josie
on Instagram.
She has amazing content, you guys, and she's going to be pumping out a ton more.
If you love vintage, sustainable wardrobe, ethical brands, secondhand thrifting, all of it, we're pretty much on the same page.
In the same lane.
Yeah.
So she's all about all of that stuff. So go show her some love. And don't forget to show me some love by liking this video. And subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, that's pretty much it. There's just one more thing that I have to tell you guys. And that is that you're beautiful just the way you are.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.